In this video, we are going to look at the sketch tools. So file, new, path, then we go to sketch. We are drawing in CGS, centimeters, grams, seconds. In the sketch tools, we have these tools as previously I stated in the other video. So basically these tools, and I want us to draw in the top plane. So top plane, sketch. So let's start with the line tool. It has a keyboard shortcut of L, or you just click it. So the line tool is like a pen. So wherever you left click, that becomes your start point. Then you click another point, another end point, click another point. Go on. Wherever you click, it becomes your end point. So you can see wherever you click, you get this yellow lines. These yellow lines are guidelines that shows you where you are, whether it's vertical or horizontal. Okay, so immediately it's horizontal. You see the horizontal line symbol appears on the pen tool or line tool. Yeah, so you click, then you get it. You click, left click, you click it, but immediately you move at an angle, you see it changes. Then the angle shows, then the distance you've moved. So this is the line tool. There is another tool which is the circle. So let's select the circle. But before, if you come to the line tool, down the line tool, you have center line and midpoint line. So let me talk about the center line. The center line is short dashes. So you can see there are short dashes to communicate to the one drawing that these are constructional lines. Okay, so what it does is it gives you the ability to reference a line, but in itself it's not what you want to do, but you are using it to reference. One of the key importance of this constructional line or short dashes is it helps you when you are dimensioning. So we'll talk about dimensioning over here. Okay, so let me clear it out. So let me take this opportunity to talk about the trim. You can use the trim to cut these stuff if you don't want it again. So the trim, we have power trim, corner trim, trim away inside, trim away outside, trim to close it. Each has a role that it plays, but for now, let me just use it to take away these things. Then in another video, I'll purposely talk about the trim. So in the next video, let me talk about circle. So in the circle, we have perimeter circle and normal circle. The difference is with the first circle, once you click at any point and you drag, the circle starts to form with a radius. Okay, so it forms like this. Let me do another one. It forms like this. Another one here. Let's click, then drag. Let's drag, click, drag, click, drag. Then you form your circle. Great. Then with the perimeter circle, this is how it works. It starts from a perimeter, an end point, Then once you drag it, you form your circle. So you use 3 points to form the perimeter circle. So let's take an instance. I have a triangle, and I want to draw a circle that touches all the sides. So I can use this 1, 2, and 3. So this is how the perimeter circle is.